I'm gonna do it in slow-mo. This is the exercise that I do like almost every single day because it's just how I apply my moisturizer. So you can do this with your serum, moisturizer, or oil. Like I like to do it especially when I have a nice creamy moisturizer on. And this is something that's going to help with your laugh lines as well, okay? So this is like the 2 fingers you're gonna use. You do this and then scissor, okay? So you're gonna place both right here, move it, and then sculpt your cheekbones and move it up like a scissor. Boom, boom, boom. Like create a circle, and that's what's going to help sculpt your cheeks right here. So we're going to do circle, circle, and then draw down to your neck and push that out into your lymphatic garbage can right here. Okay, circle, circle, draw, neck, push it out, drain it out. Whenever you apply your moisturizer, you're going to do this and then drain it out. It's just, as you do it, it gets easier.